Hello and welcome to another video. Walk around, my name is Christian, and today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Toyota Corolla CVT LE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in super white. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your aggressive sporty front end, daytime running lights, and trunk release button on your key fob, which allows for easy access. But now why don't we head inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here with our lock and unlock buttons, as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats and black sport cloth seating, and on the bottom you do have your manual seat adjustment handles. But now why don't we hop inside. We're going to start this Corolla up. All you got to do is just press this button on your key fob. That key pops out. So what we're going to do first is take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here, this cluster will just help you navigate through your multi-information display right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling, volume buttons, and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic cruise control and lane departure assist, as well as cruise control speed settings right there. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on home with this split screen. If we go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, nice and clear. Moving down to our climate control system, it's nice and simple. You've got these nice smooth turning dials. Underneath you have a nice little storage compartment, as well as driver and passenger heated seats. Behind the shifter you have your 2 cup holders. Center console, nice and simple. Also features a USB port and a 12-volt outlet. Lastly is the glove box. Nice and simple, plenty of space in there. It does also feature your owner's manual. Now let's just close that right up. So before we take a look at cargo, let's just take a quick look at the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black sport cloth seating. In the center here, if we pull this down, you do have 2 cup holders, as well as a nice little armrest. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this 3rd button on your key fob, and that trunk will open nice and easy. Let's take a look inside. There's plenty of cargo space for all your essentials. Of course, we have the folding seats that go down in case you need an extra bit of room. And underneath here, you do have your tools and your spare tire in case that ever goes. So close up, just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2020 Corolla. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Avenue St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.